How to install Udemy app on laptop. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, start by opening your Chrome browser or any kind of browser you are currently using and simply search for this Udemy download for PC, and you have to go for this link BlueStack. So start by downloading the BlueStack. Once you have clicked on that, this will download the execution file. Once it is downloaded, you have to simply open that up and install the BlueStack. So once you have installed it and make an account, you have to simply search for the Udemy in the search bar on the top left corner and go for this first one, which is saying online courses. And now simply install via Google Play. Click on that and this will start installing Udemy on your PC. So after that, you have to simply log into your Udemy account and you're good to go. So that's how basically you can install Udemy app on laptop.